Well, here's our runway after 70-mile-an-hour gusts. The main section's still good. Chairs were blown all over, flags all shredded, windsocks missing, tables blew over. So today it's only about 10-12 miles an hour right now, so I'm gonna get a flight in because it's been about 4 days of mass wind and I'm dying to fly, so I gotta get this chair out of the runway area.
Motors armed.
Whoa, wind's taking it up quick. Already getting breezy. Gotta get a flight in though. I'm jonesing.
Time remaining 4 minutes.
Oh, my eyes are starting to water now too. Oh yeah, it's almost starting to get windy. I'm sure you can hear it on the microphone. The internal mic. Oh, my fingers are getting cold. It's gotta be like 35 degrees.
Time remaining 3 minutes. Oh, I don't think it's gonna turn in the wind. Ah, it's not. It won't turn in the wind. I'm just going further away. All right. Prop secured.
All right, I got a flight in. That's good. Oh. See, I always like sustained winds around 40 to 50. Yesterday, the day before was probably about the same, maybe around 30, and then yesterday we had the gusts of up to 70. And you know, I get paranoid of anything getting ripped apart. Shingles, solar panels, stuff getting blown over there on the railroad tracks. You know, I gotta do our inspection in the morning when it's nice and calm. It was dead still this morning. It was so nice. Even though it was like 28 degrees, it was still really nice. No wind. I say that wind just gets brutal. Sand in your eyes. All right, I think that's gonna be it for today. I'm satisfied. A little flight in, and we'll catch you guys later on. All right, have a good day.